I'm Beatrix Vrijken. I'm a professor in human movement science at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology. I am part of Mobilise-D, which is an IMI-funded consortium that is focusing on digital mobility outcomes and assessing digital mobility in real patients in the real world in their daily life.
I'm Lorenzo Chiari, professor of biomedical engineering at the University of Bologna, and at this point in time, the coordinator of the DARE initiative, which is a national flagship funded by the Italian Ministry for Universities and Research about digital innovation in the field of medical prevention.
This week we have gathered 73 participants from all over the world, together with about 20 invited guest speakers.
The objective of the school was really to convene people with different backgrounds in an early stage of their career, teaching them what we've learned over the last 10 years in the field of digital health, and also making them aware of the complexity, actually, of this field.
The summer school really is a joint initiative of DARE and Mobilise-D, where we're focusing on developing innovative digital technologies to prevent diseases from developing at all, monitoring disease progression, and developing tools for personalized healthcare so that we can foster the shift to sustainable healthcare. We are facing serious healthcare challenges already now, but also in the near future. We need to equip the next generation with the tools and the ideas to develop innovative products, new ideas, to really tackle these challenges. The technologies are there. We need to just be smarter and more efficient and effective in using them. And I think that this environment, with the resources that we are providing to the participants, the interactions that we see between them, coming from such different fields, have such different expertise, different personalities, different things that they care about deep in their own hearts, is a fantastic arena to be able to bring all those perspectives together and let them develop these innovative ideas, and also let them experience that they can. They can contribute already now in their early career stages. They have ideas that are worthwhile.
I am here because I want to learn more about other approaches that other people have been or are working on, and to discuss about how can the ideas that we have and the huge amount of data that we are collecting be analyzed and implemented with solutions that are really meaningful to the target group that we are aiming at. I already got so many insights and new ideas for what I can maybe take to my research project.
I'm interested in digital health and healthy aging, and this has been a great opportunity to just meet people working exactly in that area. So there's some people looking at very similar kind of research concepts, but also people with really different backgrounds. So it's really nice to meet people, different stakeholders, people from the computing side of things, people from the policy side of things, just to kind of get different perspectives.
I'm at the summer school because I am broadly in the field of wearable sensors, and I was really interested in learning about some of the research in this area that's going on in Europe. And I think one thing that I'll take away from the summer school is the importance and the impact of primary prevention and looking at the risk of developing some disorder, because that can be a very important place where wearable sensors could potentially be implemented.
I've met so many different people who, even though they've got a very big interest in research with devices and their backgrounds are very, very different, we all kind of have a similar goal. So talking about how can we implement these devices and looking at measurements to help improve kind of the health quality of life of people with different clinical diseases. So for me, that's been really, really interesting.
I'm really focusing on co-developing an app to help South Asian minorities over 65 and above to stay physically active. On a tech perspective, I really enjoy learning about wearables. I'm seeing my watch in a very different perspective now.
My field of research is movement and mobility assessment, and try to translate digital outcome measures into clinical practice. In my opinion, the interconnection, knowing people and also creating new connections that can last beyond the summer school is the best aspect of this kind of initiatives.
We need each other from the different disciplines, so we cannot handle all these issues on our own. We are all specialists in our field, so we should use these specializations from the other fields and collaborate and work together and think about the ideas together.
This castle was established as a place of war, but then, during the Renaissance, it turned as a place of peace, as a place of culture. And so it really calls us today to a new mindset in which I think we should consider a new humanism, in which we should get rid of the separation of different disciplines and approaches to global challenges. And so a new humanism is really something that we should facilitate and stimulate young generation to look at as a good model for the future. Keeping together science and human disciplines and technology together with psychology, economy together with philosophy. And that's why I think that opportunities like this are really a good investment for the future.